Whatever else it might be, Vizio's 36-inch soundbar is certainly compact. It measures in at 36.00 by 2.5 by 3.19 inches, which makes it perfect for 55-inch TVs and lower. Why lower? We had one underneath a 65-inch Vizio P-Series Quantum screen that we had on loan from Vizio for review, and while the soundbar looked fine underneath the larger flat screen, it doesn't hide all the cables that come down from the back. Of course, go too small with the screen and the problem you might run into is that the bar covers the IR receiver on your TV. Inside the speaker itself are 5 drivers set in a left, right, center and height left, height right configuration. Add the 2 satellite speakers and subwoofer and you have the promised 5.1.2 sound on the box. The satellites, however, aren't necessarily going to blow you away. They're relatively tiny and, in our experience, didn't output the same volume as the main bar. The 6-inch subwoofer, however, is a beast. Despite only taking up around 2 feet of living room space and weighing 10 pounds, it can create some floor-thumping audio. Note that the sub will need to connect to a power outlet but is otherwise wireless. Even better, it provides both power and audio signal to the satellite speakers via 2 ultra-long cables. In terms of features, there are 2 marquee attributes that are worth calling attention to: Dolby Atmos and, to a lesser extent, SmartCast. Atmos, if you've never heard it before, is the next step on the path to more realistic-sounding audio. Instead of 5 channels of discrete audio, Atmos provides 2 additional height channels to create an audiosphere where audio can occur both above and behind you. Playing Atmos requires both content and the source, either an LG, Sony, TCL or Vizio TV, an Atmos-capable Blu-ray player, Xbox One or an Apple TV. Once you have Atmos content on an Atmos-compatible system, the lower LEDs will light up green to indicate you're hearing Atmos, if you can't tell by the sound of the helicopter flying overhead. The other feature worth diving into here is SmartCast, an extension of Chromecast built in that allows you to cast content from your phone to your soundbar. Vizio's 36-inch soundbar is almost impeccably tuned to reveal the little audio details in a movie or TV show that you usually miss without an external sound system. Examples of this could include footsteps of a character running, distant shouts that occur off-screen or elevator bells dinging. These are all examples of effects you might not hear when using a TV's built-in speakers, but Vizio's soundbar handles with ease. The vast majority of these effects will come from the main bar itself. The satellites certainly add a bit of oomph to ambient music, but most dialogue and music is relegated to the main bar. What that means in practice is that the soundbar has a pretty limited sweet spot of a few feet directly in front of the main bar. Sit off to the sides, and the effects lose their panache.